company VSE is a subsidiary of the Eiffage Group. We maintain and renovate, construct and maintain installations both in tunnels, metros, on roads and on waterways. VSE has 2 historical maintenance contracts for Brussels mobility, the maintenance of tunnels and the maintenance of electric tracks. Recently, in the past few years, the client wanted to increase their demands and required us to propose and provide a computerized maintenance management system solution for both of their contracts. After studying the market, we decided to choose Carl, given a set of features that perfectly met what our clients were asking for.
We use Carl solutions to manage about 700 traffic signal intersections and 30 tunnels in the Brussels region, equipped with around 12,000 devices. On a daily basis, regarding the tunnels, Montberry from its operations center sends its intervention request directly to our technicians' tablets via Car Touch. Our technicians can directly work on the equipment and access the history of all failures, technically as well as to the documents that allow them to repair as quickly as possible. It allows us much better instant communication with the client and helps us optimize our communication flows. Since we have been using Carl solutions for corrective maintenance, we have tracking of all equipment, the availability of all equipment, and we monitor the maintainability indicators of all the tunnels in Brussels.
Every day we always receive the call on the app, on the tablet. We can handle everything, see the task history, clearly see where the problem is daily, and even see the plans. At the end of the intervention, we can take photos to clearly see what is happening on site, document the task history thoroughly, and finalize the report. CarTouch has the advantage of proving that I responded in less than 1 hour on a traffic light, as stipulated in the VSE contract with Brussels Mobility.
For us, as managers of roads and infrastructure, the benefit of our operator using CMMS is to have immediate feedback on the interventions that take place, and thus to identify if a reported breakdown is new or just the end of the previous one. It allows us to save time, ensure the availability and functioning of the lights in real time, and therefore we save time on searching for underlying issues.
Carl is a tailor-made solution that adapts to all our needs. All of the client's requirements are completed and achieved. We have adapted and configured Carl to each of these 2 markets, the maintenance of Brussels tunnels and the maintenance of traffic lights, in order to best meet the expectations and specifics of each of these 2 markets.